In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your location on Acuity Scheduling. Whether you've recently moved or are setting up shop in a new area, updating your location in Acuity Scheduling is a straightforward process that ensures your clients know exactly where to find you. First, you'll want to navigate to the Appointment Types section of your Acuity Scheduling account. This is where all your appointment categories are listed. Think of it as the central hub for managing the different types of services you offer. Once you're in this section, look for the specific appointment type for which you'd like to change the location. You'll find an edit button next to each item. Click on edit and you'll be taken to a page where you can modify various details about this appointment type. Now, pay special attention to the location drop-down menu. This is where you can update the location for that particular appointment type. Perhaps you're moving from one office to another, or maybe you're offering services at a new branch. Whatever the reason, simply select the new location from the drop-down list. This change will ensure that all future bookings under this appointment type reflect your updated location. It's crucial for keeping your clients informed and for maintaining smooth operations. But what if you want to manage locations specific to certain calendars? Acuity Scheduling offers a way to do that too. Head over to the Availability section, then click on Calendar Settings. Here you'll find options to manage calendar-specific locations. This feature is especially useful if you operate in multiple locations or offer services in different areas on different days. By updating the calendar-specific settings, you can tailor the location details for each calendar you manage, providing flexibility and precision in how you handle your appointments. Remember, keeping your location details up to date is essential in maintaining clear communication with your clients. It prevents any potential confusion and ensures that your clients show up at the right place. Keeping your scheduling system aligned with your current operational needs is a small but significant step in providing a seamless experience for your clients. There you have it, a simple walkthrough on how to change your location on Acuity Scheduling. By following these steps, you can ensure that your appointment types and calendar settings are always current and accurate. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Acuity support resources are always a great place to turn. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in keeping your business running smoothly.